Xiaomi is set to launch its Redmi Note 14 series in India on December 9th. The company has confirmed the release of 3 models: the base Redmi Note 14, the Redmi Note 14 Pro, and the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Xiaomi introduced the Note 14 series in China a few months ago. Redmi Note 14 will be available in black and white color. It will likely come with an IP64 rated build for dust and resistance. The Redmi Note 14 will feature a flat-edge display with 6.67-inch Full HD plus AMOLED screen with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, 2100 nits of peak brightness. The smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The rear camera setup will include a 50MP primary sensor with Sony's LYT600 sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, a 16MP selfie camera. Redmi Note 14 pack a 5110 mAh battery with 45W wired fast charging support. The Redmi Note 14 5G launch in India priced at 21,999 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.